Okay, in this video, we're going to go over another photo editor that I like to use aside from Photoshop called Pixlr. Now, you look across the bottom down here, you'll see they have a bunch of different areas you can go into. But what we're going to talk about today is the AI image generator right here. We're going to do a quick video to show you that. So I'm going to click on that, and that should open up here in a second for us. All right. Now, some of these are just some things that other people have done, but I'm going to put in a picture that I want to do. I'm going to put a prompt in that I want. Now, it's all about the prompting, about how you want things done. I like to usually get things done realistic looking. So I'm going to click here, put in a prompt that I've created before. Okay, so put that in here like that, and you can read this here. It just tells you what it is that I'm looking for, very specific, and I'm going to click generate, and it comes up pretty quick. Usually gives you 4 images, so there you are. You got 4 images of exactly what I asked for here. If you liked that video, then join our free online photography community listed on this page here, where we're adding new content every week.